I didn't run ads, I didn't buy a product, I didn't even spend a single dollar. And yet, my store made its first sale. Crazy, right? Let me show you exactly how it happened. What if I told you that almost everything you've heard about starting a dropshipping business is wrong? That you don't need a hefty bankroll or a secret marketing formula to get started? So, here's the deal. I launched a brand new dropshipping store from absolute scratch and managed to generate sales without spending a single dollar. Not 1 cent on Facebook ads. Nothing on those fancy expensive Shopify apps. I didn't even pay for a custom domain name. I know exactly what you're thinking, because I've been there too. It sounds completely impossible, right? We're constantly bombarded with this narrative from online gurus, flashing their Shopify dashboards and telling us that you have to spend money to make money. The barrier to entry seems higher than ever. You're told you need a $5,000 budget for testing products on TikTok, another budget for scaling with Facebook ads, and a monthly subscription for a dozen essential apps that promise to triple your conversion rate. It's a story designed to make you feel like you're already losing if you don't have a pile of cash ready to set on fire. But I'm here to tell you that's not the only way. It's the fast way to spend money, maybe. But it's also the fastest way to an empty bank account. I'm going to show you the smart way. My entire strategy was built on a foundation of pure resourcefulness. I strategically used a free trial period to create a professional-looking store, giving me a limited, high-stakes window to prove my concept. Instead of paying for attention, I tapped into a massive, overlooked source of free, organic traffic, where content has the potential to go viral overnight. And most importantly, I found a product that had such a strong, built-in demand that it practically sold itself. This wasn't about reinventing the wheel. It was about finding a wheel that was already rolling downhill and just giving it a gentle push. And when I say this required no special skills, I truly mean it. There were no fancy, complicated marketing funnels. I didn't use any secret spy software or have a team of video editors working behind the scenes. You don't need to be a tech wizard who can code or a marketing genius who understands complex analytics. In fact, the entire operation was run from my laptop using free tools and platforms that you probably already use every single day. The success of this store didn't come from 100 different optimizations. It all came down to one single smart move, a strategic decision that acted as the domino that knocked over all the others. It's the one thing that flipped the traditional, cash-intensive dropshipping model on its head and made everything else feel almost effortless. And in this video, I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to break down the entire process for you, step by step. We're going to cover the exact method I use to find these self-selling products without spending hours on research. Then, I'll reveal the platform I use to generate all that free traffic and show you how to create content that grabs attention. We'll walk through the store setup process together, using only free resources. And finally, I'll pull back the curtain and show you the results, the sales, the numbers, and the proof that this method actually works. This video is for anyone who's ever felt stuck on the outside looking in. Maybe you're a complete beginner, totally overwhelmed by the fire hose of conflicting information out there, and you're terrified of risking your hard-earned money on a what if? Or maybe you're someone who's already been in the trenches. You've tried dropshipping, you've spent hundreds or even thousands of dollars on ads that went nowhere, and you're on the absolute verge of giving up. You see the success stories and you can't help but wonder, what is the secret I'm missing? What am I doing wrong? If you're tired of the endless cycle of testing and failing, of burning cash up front and feeling like you're just playing the lottery, then I promise you, this might be the single most important video you watch this year. This is the blueprint you've been searching for. So grab a notebook, turn off your distractions, and get ready. We're about to build a profitable business with a budget of zero. Let's get into it. First, I used Shopify's free trial to build the store. No domain, no paid apps, just the basics. For branding, I used Canva to design a logo and grab product images from the supplier. The layout, one product. Clean, simple, trust building. I didn't use paid research tools. I went straight to TikTok and searched hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. I found a product with viral potential, tons of views, emotional appeal, and low competition. Sourced it from AliExpress with fast shipping and solid reviews. No ads. I created short TikTok videos showing the product in action. No face, no voice. Also used Pinterest pins and posted in Facebook groups. All organic. One TikTok hit 10K views in 48 hours. That's when things got interesting. Then it happened. I woke up to a Shopify notification. You've made a sale. I couldn't believe it. The customer came from TikTok, clicked the link, and bought. No funnel, no retargeting. Just clean execution. Alright, let's get into the biggest lessons from this journey. First and foremost, simplicity is your superpower. It's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking you need a store with custom code and flashy animations. But that's just a form of procrastination. The truth is, you don't need a perfect store. You just need a product people genuinely want, and a clean, simple way to showcase it. Your customer wants clear product images, a description that solves their problem, and an easy checkout. A basic free Shopify theme does all of that beautifully. Focus your energy on what truly moves the needle. Great product sourcing and compelling marketing, not on perfecting the color of your footer. This leads to my second point. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It will never come. The most valuable thing you can do is get your store live, even if it's not 100% ready. This is the launch and learn cycle. Your first visitors will tell you everything through their actions. Are they bouncing immediately? Maybe your landing page isn't compelling. Are they adding to cart but not buying? Your shipping costs might be a surprise. This feedback is gold, and you don't need a huge ad budget to get it. Organic traffic is incredibly powerful. I focused on creating short-form video content for TikTok and Reels, showing the product in action. It's a low-cost way to test your product's appeal, build a community, and drive your first wave of traffic. One good video can tell you more than $1,000 in ad spend. Finally, learn to test fast and fail forward. Your first product idea is a hypothesis, not a guaranteed success, so don't get emotionally attached. The market is the ultimate judge. My rule is to give a new product a clear, data-driven test for 1 to 2 weeks with a small budget. I watch key metrics, click-through rate, add to cart rate, and cost per purchase. If the numbers aren't there, I don't force it. I kill it quickly and move on. The first product might flop. The second might fly. It's not about being right the first time. It's about finding what's right as quickly as possible. Think of yourself as a scientist gathering data. Test, analyze, pivot, and repeat until you find what flies. And there you have it. We've journeyed from a simple spark of an idea to a fully built, operational, and profitable dropshipping store. The best part? We did it all without spending a single dollar on inventory or traditional advertising. You've just built the solid foundation for a real business by proving your concept first. This is the smartest way to start, minimizing risk and maximizing your chances for success. The hardest part, the uncertainty of starting, is officially over. Now the real fun begins, scaling your success and building a brand. To do that, your next step is the most crucial and exciting one, locking in your winning product. And I genuinely want to help you with that. So, I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below with the product you're thinking of testing. Don't be shy or worry that someone will steal your idea. The truth is, execution is everything, and ideas are abundant. Sharing yours allows you to get immediate feedback, not just from me, but from this entire community of ambitious entrepreneurs. I make it my personal mission to reply to every single comment, offering my honest feedback and helping you refine your angle. Because once you get that first sale, the entire game changes. It's no longer a question of you can make money, but you can make and how fast you can grow. That's why in my very next video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact scaling framework I used to take this store from its first dollar to a consistent $1,000 per week. We'll dive deep into how to intelligently reinvest your first profits, when to launch your first paid ad campaign on a shoestring budget, and the secrets to building a brand that customers trust and return to again and again. If you're serious about turning this side hustle into a legitimate, life-changing business, you cannot afford to miss it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. Remember, Every successful entrepreneur you admire started exactly where you are right now, with a powerful idea and the courage to take that first step. I started this journey with zero capital, just a laptop and a relentless determination to make it work. The path is now laid out for you. If I can build this from the ground up without spending a dime, you absolutely can too. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to see what you build. I'll see you in the next one.